Here are some common tongue twisters. 1. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. 2. Betty Botter bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter. 3. How many hairy hamburgers can Harry handle in his hungry habitat? 4. 6 silly sloths silently slid slowly down slippery slides. 5. Freddie fetched fresh fish for Friday's feisty feast. 6. Lulu's ludicrous lizard learned to label little leather luggage. 7. Percy the python perpetually puckered up a plethora of pickled plums. 8. Crazy creatures caught curious cats in cleverly constructed cages. 33 thirsty thoroughbreds thundered thunderously through the thorny thicket. 10. She sells seashells by the seashore, but Sally, the seashell seller, struggles to sufficiently satisfy the surging surf of shoppers. These tongue twisters are often used to demonstrate linguistic tricks and challenges, and to help practice pronunciation and fluency. Try saying them a few times fast, and see how quickly you can get your tongue tangled up.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.